In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of tracking and analyzing various aspects of your email services in detail using the 4n6 Email Analytics tool. To install the 4n6 Email Analytics tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button and click on Add Account option. A pop-up will appear to enter email address and app password. Please note that your regular Gmail password won't work here. You'll need to use an app password to log in. After entering the details, click on Add button. After a while, a new window will appear with a notification indicating that, in the demo version, data access is limited to the past 7 days from the most recent date in the file. To remove this restriction, please upgrade to a licensed edition. Click OK to proceed. This software offers advanced chart preview capabilities and a complete range of data insights, such as top senders, response rates, emails replied, email categories, response time, and much more. Simply click to easily access and view these data points through interactive charts. Advanced setting feature make it easy to view annual message details of your email service in some moments. To do this, you just have to click on Advanced Settings option and apply a date range. Our tool also allows the user to view email messages. To do so, click on Emails option. Click on any of the email folders to preview its contents. Select an email to view the message. This tool only displays relevant information in the content section of the preview. Our tool also allows users to search for relevant emails. To do this, simply use the search bar. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.